Coming to exercise 3.2 chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.2 question number 4. Question: which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So what is given? So which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent? So if consistent, we obtain the solution graphically. So first, what is given? Two equations are given. We need to check whether they are consistent or inconsistent. If it is consistent, we need to get the solution by using graphical method. So first one, x plus y equals to 5. 2x plus 2y equals to 10. From the above equations, a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 equals to 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 equals to 1 by 2. As a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. It implies that linear equations are consistent. So these two linear equations are consistent, hence we need to get the solution by using from equation 1. So what is the equation 1? X plus y equals to 5. From equation 1, x equals to 5 minus y. From equation 2, 2x equals to 10 minus 2y. So first equation we have, suppose we have, if we have the value of y equals to 1, x will be 4, y equals to 2, x will be 3, and y equals to 3, x will be 2. From equation 2, suppose y will be 1, so x will become 4. Suppose if y equals to 2, x will become 3, and y equals to 3, x will become 2. So by using these two values, x axis, y axis, first one, x plus y equals to 5, this one is x plus y equals to 5. Next one, what is next one? 2x plus 2y equals to 10. So as both the lines are coincident, these are infinite solutions. So both are going to be coincident lines, hence we may get infinite solutions. Coming to second one, x minus y equals to 8. 3x minus 3y equals to 16. So from the above equations, a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 1 by 3, and c1 by c2 1 by 2. As a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2, it implies that linear equations are inconsistent. So if it is inconsistent, we may not get the solution. So coming to the third one, 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. From the above equations, a1 by a2 equals to 2 by 4. b1 by b2 equals to minus 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 equals to 3 by 2. As a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, it implies that linear equations are consistent. Suppose if it is consistent, we need to get the solution by using graph. So from equation 1, 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. So x equals to 6 minus y by 2. from equation 2, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0, x equals to 4 plus 2y by 4. Graphical solution. So these two lines are intersecting at where it is intersecting, at x axis 2, at y axis 2. So as the lines intersect at 2 comma 2, thus the solution is x equals to 2 and y equals to 2. Coming to fourth one, 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. Equation 1, 4x minus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. Equation 2. From the above equations, a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 2 by 5. As a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 does not equals to c1 by c2, it implies that linear equations are inconsistent. So if you like this channel, please subscribe it and like it, share it, comment upon it. Thank you.